presenting a pre-owned 2019 Mercedes-Benz. This two-door convertible has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 9-speed shiftable auto transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.